Good morning, children. You know, now to read, write 9-digit numbers. You know all the place values of all the digits in a 9-digit number, right? So we will recap by doing this exercise, whatever we have learned. We have to write the place value of the blue color digit in words. These are the sums from the exercise 7 from the lesson 1. How many digits are here? 3, 7, 8. It is 8-digit number, right? So 6 crore 3 lakhs 21,988. You know the place value of all the digits in this number, but you have to write only the blue place value of the blue color digit, which is the 0 is the blue color digit here, and it is in which place here? It is 10 lakhs place, right? So write 0, 10 lakhs. What do you mean by this? 0 into 10 lakh. What is the answer? It is 0 only. So always 0 wherever it is, its place value is 0. Next question is 6 crore 32 lakhs 96,254. Our blue color digit is 9 here. It is here 9. Say in which place it is? It is in 10,000's place. So the place value is 90,000, or you can write 9 10,000. Its place value. That means 9 into 10,000. It is 90,000. Both answers are correct. Read the next question. It is 3 crore 29 lakhs 45,618. Blue color digit is 8. Where is 8 now? It is in ones place. So 8 ones. It is 8. Next you have to write the number for the number name. Number name is given 9 crore 35,399. So crores period is given here. Next, after crores period, which period you will get? Lakhs period. It is nothing is mentioned here about lakhs period. So next period is thousands period. It is given 35,399. Ones period, all the digits are given. So we will start writing the number. 9. It is in crores period, crores place, right? Crores period consists of 10 crore and crores place, 2 places. But they have mentioned 9 crore. Write 9 crore instead of crore period. Insert the comma. Lakhs period is silent here. So you write 00 for lakhs period. Next, lakhs period over, insert comma. For thousands period, it is given 35. 35,000, write 35. Thousands period over, comma. Next, for after thousands period, which period comes? It is ones period. 399. Did you get your number easily? Like this, you have to write the numbers. So now, so far we have learned 9-digit numbers in Indian system. We will learn international place value system. You should know to read the number in both the ways. International system also you should be able to read the number, right? So we will see the place value of the digits in international place value system. International place value system consists of it's same like Indian system only. Top row represents periods, next row represents places. So now here in international system, each period consists of 3 places. Here ones period consists of 3 places: unit place, tens place and hundreds place. Thousands period consists of 3 places, whereas in Indian system it consists of only 1,000 and 10,000 places. Here one more place extra, 100,000 place. Thousands place, thousands period consists of 1,000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. There are 3 places in thousands period. Millions period consists of 2. Millions period also consists of 3 places. Here one column is missing here. They forgot to draw the one line here. Millions period consists of 3 places: million place, 10 million place, and 100 million place. Million period consists of 3 places. What are these places? Million place, 10 million place, and 100 million place. Next, after million, you will get billions place. You will learn billions place in your higher classes. It's enough if you learn these 3 periods now in international value system. Am I clear, or should I repeat once again? Ones period consists of 3 places: unit place, tens place, and hundreds place. Thousands period consists of 3 places: thousands place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. Million period consists of 3 places: million places, 10 million places, 100 million places. So now we will learn the place value of digits here in the international system. The number is 3,147,000 next 286. As in Indian system, you have to read the numbers together in one period. It is 1000 period, you have to read the number together, 147,000. It is million period, only 3 million are there, so it is read as 3 million. Now it is ones period, you should read together these 3 digits, 286. 6 is in units place, 8 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place, 4 is in 10,000 place, 1 is 100,000 place, 3 is in millions place. We will compare Indian system and international system now. And we will answer some questions from your exercise 8. It is top row is Indian system. Here up to 10,000 place, both the places are same in both Indian system and international system. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place, and 10,000s place. 5 digits are same. Rightmost 5 digits have same place in Indian system and international system. Now it is lakhs place here, it is 100,000 place. So it is 10 lakhs place, we will get 1 million in international system. For 1 crores place, we will get 10 million. For 10 crore, 100 million we will get. How many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make, where is our lakh? Lakh here, it is 10 times more than here in the place value chart. As we go left, each place 10 times, each place is 10 times more than the previous place. 10 times means what? 10 into 1. Here it is 1. Tens place is 10 into 1, right? Hundreds place is, the value is 10 into 10. It will get 100. Thousands place is, listen carefully, thousands place is 10 into 10 hundreds. 10 into 100. 10 into 100 is 1000, right? Like that, how many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? Here is 1 lakh, right? Here 10,000. It is 10 times more than 10,000. 10 into 10,000, how much? 100,000 it is. 100,000s make a lakh. How many lakhs make a crore? Where is our lakh? Lakh is here. How many lakhs make a crore? It is 1 crore here. Up to here 10 lakh. 10 times 10 lakh. 10 into 10 lakh. How much it is? 100 lakh. 100 lakh makes 1 crore. How many lakhs make a million? How many lakhs make a million? Where is our 1 million? It's clear now. 10 lakh equals 1 million. 10 lakhs equals 1 million. Now, some C main from the same exercise, write 1 less than 1 lakh. 1 less than means what? You have to subtract 1. From which number? From 1 lakh you have to subtract. You have to subtract 1 from 1 lakh. you have to write, observe the place values while writing. One is at unit place, write 1 lakh and then subtract. You cannot subtract 1 from 0, right? You have to borrow from this place, you cannot borrow. From hundreds place there is 0, you cannot borrow. 10,000s place you cannot borrow. 10,000s place you cannot borrow. You have to borrow from this lakhs place only. Borrow here 10, again borrow here 10, again borrow here 10, again borrow here 10. Borrow 1 here, it will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. How much is here? It is not 10. 1 we have borrowed already to this place. So it is 9 here. Nothing, need not subtract anything. Write 9. Similar way 9. Already we have taken 1 from to the right one's place. 9 here, 9 here, 9 here. The answer is 99,999. 1 less than 1 crore. You have to subtract 1, write 1 crore first, then subtract 1. You cannot subtract 1 from 0. You have to borrow 1 from the next place. But there are zeros in all these places. From where you have to borrow 1? From here 1 lakhs, 1 crores place only. From 1 crore place only. From 1 crore place only you have to borrow this 1 to this place. Right? Borrow again 1 to this place, again to this place, again to this place, again to this place and again to this place. Finally it is here 1, 10. 0 will become 10. Then 10 minus 1, 9. It is 9 here already. We have taken 1 from here to the rightmost digit. All these places are having 1, 9. All these places are having 9 here. So write 99999. Read the number 99,99,999. Now, often for your birthday party, you might have told next day when you are speaking with your friend, you might have told, oh, around 20 people came or around 50 people came. Suppose if 20 people attended your birthday party, will you say around 100 people came? No, right? You should know to round off the numbers properly, right? So here we will understand what is rounding. Now, between 20 to 30, how many numbers are there? It starts from 21. Here it will end up 29. Here this 22, this much length is divided into 10 equal parts. 25 is midway in between. Here when we take 22, it is near to 20. When 22 people attended the party, by your birthday party, we will say around 20 people came for the party. We cannot say 30 people, right? 22 is near to 20 than 30. It is far here. The length, the distance is far here. So it is 22 is near to 20. We will round off the number to 20, not 30. Although it is 25 is midway between, we will round up this 25 to 30 only always. Then after 20, 26, 27, 28, 20, these numbers are always near to 30 than 20, right? Similarly, when we will compare 30 and 40, 36 always near to 40. 50, when we compare 52 is near to 50 than 60, right? Clearly you can understand from this picture. What are the other numbers? See here, 11 is near to, obviously 11 is the next number, where 11 is near to 10. What are the other numbers here to near to 10? It is 12 also near to 10 than 20. 13 also near to 10 only than 20. 14 also near to 10 than 20, right? 15 is midway between, but 15 is always rounded up to 20. Right? Did you understand the meaning of rounding means? It is near to. Which place we have to decide? That is either tens place or hundreds place. We will see in the next set of numbers. That is between how to round to hundreds place. See the number here. The length is divided into 100 numbers are distributed in is 10 divisions. Each division represents 10 numbers here. Here 300 it is at one point. Here it is 400. Midway is 350 is midway between 300 and 400. When we take 365, because why it is 65? It is exactly between 360 and 370. There are 10 numbers here. So it is a middle point is a 365. See, this distance is near to 400 than 300, right? Therefore 365 will be rounded off to 400 always. That means it is near to 400. Here the number is rounded off to hundreds place it is. We will take one more number near to one more number, but it is 4-digit number. The previous one is 3-digit number, right? Here it is 4-digit number 4536 and it is 4500. Now here the divisions are, the length is marked, 100 numbers are marked here. The 10 divisions are distributed, 100 numbers are distributed in 10 divisions, 10 equal parts. Each division represents how many numbers? 10 numbers. It is starts from 4500 to 4600. It will end up 4600. Now our number is 4536. Where it is? Midway number is 550. It is 4000. Here how the numbers are distributed? 100 numbers are distributed. They are not in thousands. Only 100 numbers are distributed from 4500 to 4600. It is. Here 4550 is midway between 4500 and 4600. Now our specified number is 4536. Where it is near to 4500. It is far away from 4600. Right, whatever number comes between 4500 and 4550, it is near to 4500. We will say the round off number is 4500. So every time we cannot draw the number line. For 4-digit number only, it is little bit confusing because of this 1000 place. To round off the number to hundreds place, this thousands place is should not be considered, right? So it is little bit confusing when we compare the large numbers. We know now 9-digit numbers. So we should learn the rules to round off the numbers. Every time we cannot draw the number line and conclude. It is applicable only to small numbers. So we will learn the rules. Here we have taken 4-digit number. It is 1257. Now which place you have to? We will begin with the smallest place only, tens place only now. We have to round off the number to tens place. Encircle the digit for which place you have to round off. Encircle the digit for which place you have to round off. It is tens place here. It is tens place here. Encircle the digit at tens place. Now also move to the right digit. What is right digit here? It is 7 here. If the right digit is 0 to 4, then remain the encircled digit as it is. But it is not so here in this case. If it is greater than 5 or if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then what you have to do? You have to add 1 to 5. It is greater than 5 here. So add 1 to 5. You will get 6. Then next step is make the remaining digits 0. Make the remaining digits, all the rest of the digits 0. Here it is only 1 digit. So the number, rounded off number you will get is 1260. Did you get? We will solve 1 or 2 sums from your exercise. It is the 9th exercise from your first lesson. First question is you have to round off the number to the nearest 10. It is 2-digit number. identify the digit at tens place. It is 5. Here the digits tens place is colored instead of circling. It is colored 5. It is 5 is at tens place. Move to the next digit. Right digit 6 it is here. 6 is greater than 5. Add 1 to 5. You will get 6. Now round off the number is, instead of 5, write 6 here. Next digit is 0. Rest of the digits are 0. That is the rule says like that. Rounded off number is 60. Now it is 4 digit number. Though it is 4 digit number, you have to round off the number to tens place. Identify the digit at tens place. It is 7 here. Move to the next digit. It is 8 here. So what you have to do? 8, compare 8 with 5. It is greater than 5. So now what the rule says? Add 1 to 7. You will get 8. Right? Rounded off the number. Write as it is. 90. This 1 and 9, thousands place and hundreds place. Don't touch it. 1, 9. Next digit should be changed. Instead of 7, you have to write 8. It is 0 here. Right, next digit should be 0. So your rounded off number is 1980. Hope you understood to round off the number. So now here there is self-assessment question. You can use the digits only once to give answer to these questions. Try to answer these questions. If you didn't understand, go through the video once again, understand all the concepts and write the answers in your classwork. Thank you, children.